wash wells. Yesterday what we say, if you want, you can use one wash well with one waste well.
Okay.
Otherwise you can use two, A, C. Okay na? When you going to use AC, you have to put AC
Waste wells
must. Right? If you want, you can give all A, B, C, D. Why? I told like this here. If you want type A, washing second type AC,
Okay.
third type A, B, C, D.
Okay.
Whatever you want, you can choose. As of now, we require A. Type A means you are highlighting A only.
Okay.
For example, if I give like this, it will highlight C also.
Okay.
Remember, you are highlighting A only.
Okay.
But here, if I going to select AC, it will highlight in C also. So you have to give 3 times. That's your choice. Pre-solvent, pre-wash, post-wash. And before injection, after injection. Okay na? Sample wash means if you going to use, you are going to add the sample in vial. What will you do? Directly you will give the vial, pour the sample into vial and you have to tight it and go, or you can rinse with sample. You understood what I am asking?
Yes.
If you want inject the sample in HPLC, you have the sample in what is this? Conical bar. Yeah? You have to transfer the sample into vial. Directly you have to add and directly you are going to inject, or you can give
Rinse.
This is sample wash. So the remaining waste all default. You don't disturb anything. High, here normal, 8 mil. These are all default. You don't disturb anything.
Okay.
Okay na? Then you will go for sample. Okay na? Here in your method there is, for example, SPL injection temper.
Okay. According to this one, we can keep one method.
Just
Tentatively. We are not saying. This is injection value. How much they
It's HSS, ALS.
This is
column flow.
column flow.
Next question. Injection time.
Injection volume. For suppose 1000 ml ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు. ఎంత ఇస్తాం మనం జనరల్
0.2 ఇస్తాం.
0.2 ఇస్తాం.
ఇంజెక్షన్ టైం 0.2 minutes HS.
That one injection volume.
Check that is headspace or ALS?
FID this one.
FID, okay.
Okay, no problem.
Injection volume, it is in only ALS.
For your understanding, this is my method. Okay na?
Okay.
So already 0.2 ml is our injection volume.
HS only this one.
So no.
Yes.
AOS. If it is HS here, highlighting HS. Okay. So I selected type 1.
Okay.
So
For rinsing.
so it is default
Okay.
already. No need to change. Okay. Then SPL. Here our temperature, injection temperature 200. Here we are going to use split and splitless. Yesterday you have listened what is splitless. So in a default in AOC we are going to use split.
It is default. No need
If
to.
required splitless, you can go with splitless also.
Okay.
Okay. No, both. Okay na? So here split na. So how much amount you have to go into split ratio?
Okay.
Here they will give split ratio. Okay na? 1:1000. You have to give here 1000.
8,000.
split ratio.
Okay. Just.
Okay. So you have to connect column flow. Always column flow. Here, based on that our method development, they will give.
Sometimes the parameter will be changed.
Changes based on method.
Okay. Based on method. Okay, understood.
Understood. So, for example, you are going to separate by the column flow. You have to select column flow, and you have to give column flow. How much they will give here? 0.2 ml
per minute.
Okay. These two you have to give. The rest of
Here.
thing you don't change. Purge flow is default 3. Okay, na? 3 ml per
And
minute.
up to how much we can give? Only that is top of 3 ml is
3 ml is enough.
enough.
Default. In HS also you can give no problem.
We can give 10.
No.
We have to give only 3.
3. Why? Because that one is for already yesterday told us swiping the rubber septa. Yesterday you see
blue color.
3 ml will go for rubber septa cleaning.
Okay.
3 ml. Default you have to give 3 ml only. 3 to 5 you can give up to 5.
Okay.
But
Based on
why I am
we need to
saying
give
for
3.
your-
Okay.
Okay, na?
Based on-
Default you can give 3.
3.
That is best for you. Okay. So here these only you don't select, you don't disturb anything. You forget it. Just
Only
you have to
temperature, injection mode, split
split ratio, and column flow.
column.
Okay. Then you will go for column. Here you have to give 4 gram.
Ramp.
This is ramp rate. This is our starting temperature. This is hold time.
Whole time.
Okay, na? This is our higher temperature. Already we are given. So that is 3 minutes hold time. Okay, na? This you know already. Okay. It will give regarding that method. Okay. Here you have to remember this.
Time.
Based on your program, it will come. It is So here you have to know the how to select
The temperature.
where
First
this
one.
is starting temperature. What we are doing initial
Initial temperature.
will highlight automatically.
Okay.
For
What
example,
we are keeping the here, that will change automatically there.
Yes.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So it's default. No problem. Okay, na? Equilibrium time 3 minutes, no problem. You can continue for 3 minutes, no problem.
Okay.
So
What equilibration means? That while equilibration or some
equilibration means
column.
injection to waiting time.
Waiting time. Okay.
The GC while evaporation time is there, equilibration time is there. That
some actually.
HS, not HS.
Okay.
AOC.
Okay.
That's why you confused. No problem. Okay. Here you have to select the column. Already I selected. So if you want, you can go and you can select again another column.
Another column here.
Okay.
Okay.
If you want to add, you can change it.
Okay.
For example, you have to write something. You have to change. You can add. If you add here, it will automatically register in
there also.
there also.
Administration.
It is easy for you.
Okay.
Okay.
That's why I am told. I didn't explain there. You have to go again specifically for column. No need.
Okay.
At any time you have to create the method.
Okay.
While creating the method, you have to
How
register.
can just clicking of double click here?
They can select their round.
Select as where?
What you are saying?
Actually,
How to
column
select
select చేసుకున్నాను.
Okay.
Column selection.
ఇక్కడ
వేరే-
క్యాలిక్యులేటర్
Mm.
జస్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తాం.
Not already.
ఆల్రెడీ సెలెక్టెడ్.
Just select 2.
ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్
Okay.
ఇదైతే వస్తుంది.
హైలైట్ అవుతుంది.
అర్థమవుతుందా?
Mm.
అది ఆల్రెడీ సెలెక్ట్ చేసాం కాబట్టి అది ఎలెక్ట్ అవ్వట్లేదు. రైట్. సో హియర్ దెన్ FID. హియర్ దే విల్ గివ్ FID టెంపరేచర్. ఓకేనా? డిటెక్టర్ టెంపరేచర్. 300. So that you will add. So these are all, they will give 400. For example, they will give 400. It is hydrogen for 30 plus 2. Okay, 32. Makeup plus 25. So we are reducing 200 for your saving, hydrogen save. For example, 400 flow means actually for burning, for ignition, 400 required hydrogen for flame. Okay, na? But in this particular instrument, 200 is sufficient. Okay, na?
In our
based on the user, based on the user requirement, they develop it. Within 200 also, our ignition will happen, flame will come. Okay, na? So default, you have to select this one only. You have to enter temperature. Remaining rest all no need to disturb. Okay, here stop time you have to aware. Stop time must be our program time.
Grab state.
Okay, na? In SPL, in column, which one you give program time. So here must be show like this only. Otherwise, you have to click on right. Okay, na? You have to right click and you can add it. Now it is normal. For example, something is there, but our actual time is
15.6. But here
so
we are capable changing.
10. Okay, na? At the 10 you have to just right click and click on it. Automatically it will take.
Okay.
You understood?
Understood.
You have to remember that point. That is method.
Okay.
Just simple. One by one, you have to go based on the instrument. You can select this. Either you have to follow SOP or you have to follow instrument. For my suggestion, as per instrument, you have to go. First, you have to give AOC parameters. Simple. Then you will go for sample, SPL. You have to give. After completion, okay, now one by one you have to give. After completion, again you have to check it whether it is properly or not. After that, you have to go and you have to close here. You have to save. Okay, na? Same as usual in that. So now we will check once. One injection will.
Then constant flow అనేది ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది.